this is Aisha and welcome to our 19th Kotlin tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be talking about the Kotlin expressions, statements and blocks. So here is a written tutorial by me and in which I have explained Kotlin expressions, statements and blocks. So now let's talk about the expression. An expression consists of operators, and in an expression we have operands too. So these operands and operations are combined together to create an expression. So for example, here if I have two variables a and b of integer data type, and now I have created another variable result and then I used a plus b. So this a plus b is an expression which contains operands and operator. So operands are the variables on which the operation is being performed. So the result of this operation or this expression will be a single integer which will be stored in our variable result. Now in Kotlin programming language, the if expression, the if statement is also an if expression. But in Java, we use if as a statement only. In Kotlin programming language, we can use if statement as an expression also. So now for example, here I have a and b, a equals 3 and a equals 12 and b equals 3. So now instead of using a plus b, I'm going to use an if expression. I'll type if a is greater than b, then I will assign a string to this variable result. So I'll use a is greater, else part b is greater. So this if is an expression here. It is used as an expression here. Now if can also be used as a statement in Kotlin programming language. I'll discuss this thing later in the later section, but please focus on expression first. So this if is an expression here, and the result of this expression is either a is greater or b is greater, and this is a string which will be assigned to this variable result. Now we can print our variable result by using the print line statement and result. Now as shift plus F9 and you will have output on the output screen. So here you can see that a is greater. So in the if expression, this condition is evaluated and then this message is displayed. On the basis of this condition, the message or the string is stored in our variable result. So this is an expression and this as a whole is a statement. So now let's talk about a Kotlin statement. Now a Kotlin statement is a combination of expression and statement. So a statement is the one which is executed as a unit. You can see here a statement is the one which is executed as a unit. So in a statement we have expression, and then this expression is the result of this expression is stored in some variable, and here we have the full statement. So a statement can be any print line statement, print statement which prints the message, etc. So here in this program, this is a statement, this is a statement, but there in these statements there is no expression. So in the third statement we have an if expression, and then the fourth line is also a statement. It contains no expression. But if we write, for example, var answer equals a plus b, so now this a plus b is an expression and this as a whole is a statement. So statement is a combination of expression plus statement. So now let's talk about the Kotlin block. So a block is a set of statements, either these are more than one statement or it can be zero statement, that are enclosed in braces. So now you can see here, for example, when using the if statement, any condition, for example a is greater than b, then we will have an if block, else we will have an else block. So the statements written within these braces is called a block, and this block of statement is executed only when this condition is true. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.